Today is day 7 of the Smart FEE technique. We fill up the crown. 1,500 graft was filled up. This is the lower part of the crown. This is the lower rim, and this is the upper part of the crown. We fill up more at the lower rim as patient insisted that he wants more to fill up here. From here, we go up here. This is the center where the hair swings up from here and is going up like this. This is the right lateral hump. We fill up here, and this is the left lateral hump. Here have receded more, we fill up more, so that end of the day, after 9 months to a year, all the hair at the crown will be connected to the parietal area.